Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Wednesday, July 27th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Very quiet trade, not a whole lot going on here. What you have going on in the grains, higher trade to start the day for both corn and soybeans. Wheat steady on the day, but you had a couple of pretty solid support lines on the chart on the technical side of things for both corn and soybeans. Soybeans being the 200-day moving average, corn being levels they bounced off prior. And what you had also with that was some export sales this morning. And then along with that, you have a 6 to 10 day forecast that has heat in there and then normal precip chances. So, you know, whether or not you get those rains or not, that's going to be the question. So that was enough to give some slight support, anywhere from 14 to 17 higher in soybeans, and then about 3 to 4 higher in corn. Like I said, wheat was steady on the day. So moving into that, you know, the next 5 days, everything looks good. We should get the rains. You have a little bit of average temperatures, but moving into the 6 to 10, that's when you could get the market's attention a little bit and see some levels that we haven't seen in a little bit. But depending on whether or not we get that, that's a question. You put some rain into those metals and you're going to come back down to those lower levels that we bounced off here prior. So it's all about weather right now. Meat markets, live cattle mix, trading both sides, about a 50-cent range trade today. Not a whole lot of activity, but lean hogs aggressively sold off, almost limit lower, down to 275 there. Outside markets didn't do a whole lot. You did have, after the grain close, the Federal Reserve come out and say that they are going to keep interest rates unchanged, and that isn't too much of a surprise after everything happened with Britain choosing to leave the euro. They're worried about a little bit of instability coming to the global market because of that. And so with that, you know, you were seeing or expecting to see an interest rate increase here again at some point this year, but I think a lot of this market is expecting it not to happen this year due to that. So you came out, confirmed that there. Outside markets not doing a whole lot. Crude did drop off once again today, being in the $43 mark per barrel now at this point. Other than that, we'll just be watching weather news, and then we have export sales tomorrow to see if we've seen some demand pick up with these lower prices. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.